Now I will give you a brief introduction of how to use China Data Insights. First, input the URL address cdi.cnki.net in the address bar and open the home page. On the right corner is the Old Version button. You can click it and open the old version of China's Statistical Yearbooks database. We can make a simple contrast of old version and new one. The previous interface of CSYD contains too much content with a mix of Chinese and English, while the current interface of CDI adopts a flat design, making it much easier to use the database. Below the old version button is a sign-in button. You can click it and enter your username and password in the login box. If your institute has already subscribed the products and your computer's IP address is in the institute's IP list, you will automatically log in. If you do not log in, you can only use search and browse functions, but cannot download the yearbooks or tables. On the left side is the search bar. You can have one-stop search for all the resource types, including titles, tables, and indicators, by entering search terms in the search box. And you can enter both English and Chinese search terms. For instance, we can enter Chinese words, 金融, in the search bar. Click Search and get to the search results page. We can also enter English words, let's say finance. Click it and get the search results. The search results from Chinese search and English search are almost the same. We can also have a blank search. It means that you do not have to put any search term in the search bar, just click Search and get the search results page. We can see on the top of the page how many tables, indicators, and titles are included in the database. So far, we have over 1.2 million tables, over 9.7 million indicators, and 941 titles of yearbooks included in the database. And below are the search results. We can download them in the format of Excel or PDF. On the left side of the page is the filter column, by which you can filter out relevant information and refine the search results. In this column, we have refined by type, refined by topic, refined by region, and refined by source. In refined by type, we have tables, indicators, and titles. In refined by topic, we have 18 major fields covering industry, agriculture, transport, culture, education, politics, and so on. In refined by region, we have national level and all the provinces. In refined by source, we have collected our resources from China's Statistical Yearbook and yearbooks from other provinces. We can choose any of them to further refine the results. For instance, we can choose tables in the type part. Choose General Survey in the topic part, and Jiangsu Province in the region part. And we will narrow down the search results to over 56,000 tables. We can also sort the results by newest first, oldest first, or relevance. If we click Relevance, the search results that are most relevant to our search terms will be listed on the top. The results could be further refined by defining the year coverage. For instance, choose the year from 2007 to 2017. And then we will get over 25,000 results. Let's get back to the home page. We just showed how to use one-stop search to search all the resource types, including yearbooks, tables, and indicators. We can also click Indicators, Tables, and Titles button in the title bar and get to the detail page. For instance, let's click Indicators and get to the Indicators page. And we can see on the left filter column, only indicators are left in here, and only indicators are displayed in this page. All the indicators are marked in the color yellow, and they are all open to public. You can see these results even when we are not logged in. The table detail page works in the same way. And for the titles page, it will be a little bit different. Here we can directly search titles, browse by topic, or check the feature statistical yearbooks. If we click one of the covers, we will get to the yearbook detail page, and here we will see all the detailed information about this yearbook, including the publication information and all the publications in different years. We can choose one of the years, let's say 2014. And below is the table of contents of this yearbook in 2014. All the entries in blue could be downloaded in the format of Excel or PDF. In terms of the topic part, we can click Topic, and there will be 18 major fields displayed here. We can choose one of the fields you're most interested in, let's say Finance. In this page, all the search results will be about the subject Finance. You can click More and check all the yearbooks, tables, and indicators about Finance. Let's see the last and most important part, datasets. In this part, we can customize tables according to our needs. Datasets is actually the same with data analysis in the old version. Comparing the old version with the new one, we will see three features in the new version. First, instead of using horizontal layout in the old version, the new version adopts the vertical layout, which meets with users' habits of viewing the page from top to bottom. Second, the relations of provinces and regions are much clearer. And third, the time choice is more convenient and diverse. The old version requires manual input of a specific year, while for the new products, users can set the time span in three ways. We can slide the time bar, directly choose recent 5 years, 10 years, or the year after 2000, or directly click the given year. I will give an example. Suppose we want to make a contrast of the GDP and birth rate of Beijing and Shanghai. Let's choose Beijing and Shanghai in the region parts, and choose GDP per capita and birth rates in the series parts. And next, let's choose the year from 1995 to 2015. After setting the time span, let's click Apply. And the customized table is formed immediately. You can click the download button to get the form downloaded. Okay, that's all for the instructions of China Data Insights.